Hello, I am playing Minecraft, so we're going to do some explosives.
Yes.
First, we're going to this the proxy TNT. Oh my gosh, I forgot you have to press it today. Look, what is explosions? I like the explosion, but check out the lava explosion. The lava TNT. Let's see if the lava is lighting up. Because it's in, oh my gosh, I love the graphics. Next is the trap TNT. I just did that and it exploded like a bowl of pepperoni. I just like the where it goes. The Ultra TNT. Why did it off? Oh my gosh, that was a big explosion. I loved it. Like, look at that. And next one is this trowel TNT. I'm gonna spawn 3 so it doesn't more explosion. Next we got the earthquake TNT. Okay, let's check this out. What is it doing? The earthquake TNT was fun, but it was more entertainment. The polar TNT. Let's check this out. Let's check this polar TNT. It spawns ice. It's very good. It's time for the colossal TNT. This is going to be ginormous, so we have to just stand back away. Let's stop this. Oh my gosh! Where is it? Where is the explosion? Oh my gosh!
Yes.
Oh, guys, I have to stop the video. I am lagging. See you for more Minecraft videos. Oh no.